Hello Ilocandia! Welcome back to another episode of What's Cooking only here on Wake Up Ilocos. So for today, we are going to make tofu fried steak. It is very easy to make. So let's start doing it na, no? So first, we are going to have tofu. So may dalawang klase ng tofu. What we're going to use now is called the sperm tofu. Meron din kasing Japanese na silken tofu. Usually, these are bought in grocery stores and sa market pwede din, meron din sila. So, isi-slice lang natin siya about half an inch. So, guys, this is mga 5 minutes lang to prepare and 5 minutes to cook. So, this is 10 minutes or less. Depende sa inyo kung gaano kayo kabilis or kaano sa pagluluto nyo. Tapos, what we're gonna do here sa tofu, kasi may amoy siya, diba? What we're gonna do is i-dip natin siya sa soy sauce or for me, I would prefer this liquid seasoning na lang. I-dip lang natin siya konti sa seasoning, liquid seasoning. Naisip ko to kasi ang dami ng health conscious ngayon, ang dami na nagtatanong sa akin, Chef, ano bang magandang recipe for sa mga nagda-diet na tao? I would best suggest it. So habang pinamarinate natin yan, i-heat lang natin tong pan. Lagay lang tayo ng konting. I'm using canola oil over here. This is zero trans fat, but you can use vegetable oil or olive oil kung yun ang gusto nyo. Just a little amount of oil. So, habang minamarinate natin yan, isasaute na natin yung side dish natin, which is the carrots and the green beans. Guys, be careful lang kasi napaka-fragile ng tofu. It might break. Ayan. Tapos, pag mainit na yung pan natin, nag-add lang tayo nito. Carrots muna. Kasi mas mahirap lutuin ang carrots kaysa sa beans. I'm not gonna season this with salt. Just black pepper. Kasi mamaya naman yung barbecue sauce natin, it's gonna flavor it naman. We're just gonna toss it. So, pag nakita nyo na yung carrots nyo medyo translucent na, later on, you can add your green beans. This is just a side dish. Kung ayaw nyo ng carrots and green beans, you can use other vegetables. Anything that you would like to prefer. Pero ako kasi, sa previous na mga dishes ko kasi, lagi akong gumagamit ng green beans. One of my favorites. So, ayan. So, we're just gonna lower down the heat to low. Very, very low heat. Tapos, ilagay na natin. Ito na yung side dish natin. Set aside lang natin siya. So, ito na. Nakita niyo yung tofu natin na marinate na. We're just gonna dredge it in flour. Tapos, i-fry na rin natin siya sa ano. So, maglagay lang tayo dito. Coat lang natin siya konti. Tapos, dagdag tayo ng oil. So, guys, make sure your hands are clean. We're just gonna coat this once. Dust off yung excess na flour. Tapos, dunk na natin. We're just gonna brown all sides. Ang tofu naman madaling maluto. So, pag na-brown na lahat yung sides, ay set aside na naman natin siya because we're gonna make the barbecue sauce. So from here, pag nakikita niyo yung mga residue ng flour, that will serve as our thickener for the sauce. So first, we're just gonna chop an onion really quick. Like I said before, translucent lang. Pag nakita nyo lang na medyo lumambot na yung ating onions and garlic, huwag siyang susunugin para hindi ma-overpower yung flavor. Ganyan. Tapos pag okay na siya, maglalagay na tayo ng barbecue sauce. So I'm using prepared barbecue sauce, pero pwede rin kayong gumawa ng sarili yung barbecue sauce. I'm just gonna put about a cup, 240 ml. Tapos we're gonna add just a tablespoon of sugar para sa konting contrast lang. Kasi itong barbecue sauce na ginamit ko, medyo maasim-asim siya. Yan. More pepper. I heat. Tapos, ilalagay ulit natin tong tofu para ma-absorb niya yung flavor ng barbecue sauce. Coat lang natin siya, i-glaze. And if you simmer this around a minute or two, we're done. So, mag-plate na tayo. See, I told you guys, this is very easy to make lang. Sa mga vegetarian out there, eto, masarap tong dish para sa inyo. Like the flavor of barbecue, parang kumakain na rin kayo ng pork barbecue or anything barbecued. But then again, it's tofu. So, at this part, hindi nyo na malalasahan yung ibang amoy ng tofu. Kaya maraming hindi kumakain ng tofu dahil sa fermented na amoy niya. So, ito na. So, guys, ito na ang ating finished product, ang ating tofu fried barbecue with a side dish of yasai vegetables. So, sa mga vegetarians out there or kahit na hindi vegetarian, guys, try this at home. I'm sure you're gonna love it. So, for more recipes and tips, join me again next time on another episode of What's Cooking, only here on Wake Up Ilocos. Thank you. Bye.
Let's dive in.